Guys, what's up? I am SHRIJA, so I'm back with a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a book stand and pen holder. From now I'm going to start a mini decor series, that's decoration series, and I have many ideas. So let's start our desk decor video. The first DIY is we are going to make a pen holder. So for this you will need any plastic bottle, and then you need to take a marker and draw a line from where you need to cut and make the pen holder. And then with the help of a blade you need to cut from that line. You need to make the edges smooth, so I used a candle for that, so you need to be really careful in that, and here I did a small mistake, but it's okay. So now we are going to color it with white paint, acrylic paint, and then I'm going to use some yellow paint. You can use any type of color, you can do any design, but I'm going to make it simple and sweet. So after I do this yellow acrylic paint, I'm going to make small little cute smiley face, but you can do any type of design as you wish. And if you have some new ideas, you can comment down below. Here is my pen holder, DIY pen holder all completed, and I love it so much, guys. So guys, for this next DIY, there is a book stand. You're going to need any cardboard box, and then you're going to draw the shape of your book stand in which you want it. So I have drawn this type of shape. To decorate it, I thought I should not paint it, but I'm going to use this amazing colorful pom-poms. I love colorful things, so for this DIY I'm going to use these pom-poms. You can paint also, but I wanted to use pom-poms. So with the help of a glue gun, you need to stick the pom-poms on our book stand. So here is my book stand all completed, and it turned out so amazing, guys. It was looking so colorful, and on the back side of it I used some pink paper. I painted the paper pink and some white color also, and it looked really amazing, guys. enjoyed our video, and be sure to subscribe, like and comment in this video and give me more ideas for this decor series. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.